Hey everyone, welcome back. If you're tired of dealing with messy photo backgrounds and want a quick, professional edit, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving into the best apps for removing backgrounds on both iPhone and Android in 2025. Whether you're a social media enthusiast, a small business owner, or just someone who loves editing pics, these tools will save you time and hassle. First up, let's talk about iPhone users. One standout app is remove.bg, which uses advanced AI to automatically detect and erase backgrounds in seconds. It's super intuitive, just upload your photo, and it does the rest. For more control, try Background Eraser Pro. This app lets you fine-tune edges with a brush tool, making it perfect for complex images like portraits or products. And don't overlook Magic Eraser from Google, now optimized for iOS. It's free and integrates seamlessly with your gallery. Each of these apps supports high-res exports, so your final images look crisp. Switching to Android, the options are equally impressive. Start with Auto Cutout, which excels at precise selections and even handles videos. It's fast and user-friendly, ideal for beginners. Then there's PixArt's Background Remover, packed with additional editing features like filters and stickers, turning your edits into creative masterpieces. For power users, Adobe Lightroom offers background removal as part of its suite, with layers and undo options for professional-level work. These apps leverage 2025's AI improvements for faster processing and better accuracy. Now, a quick tip. Always check the app's privacy policy, as some require access to your photos. Most of these are free with in-app purchases for premium features. In 2025, expect even more integration with AR and cloud storage. So, which one should you pick? If you're on iPhone, go with remove.bg for simplicity. Android folks, try Auto Cutout first. Give these a shot and level up your photo game. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.